I got Cheetos on my tank. Stay on there, Cheetos. Oh, they're falling off. Stay. Bad Cheetos. Like there's like air circulation hitting on my stomach, I think. Look at that! Stand up, Cheeto, stand up! Whoa! It's freezing. I think the high today, or height is like 59, I think. And it's cold. Why is my blinker on? So, what is this whole thing about Mitt Romney trying to fire Big Bird or something? I didn't watch this stupid the debate because I think it's pointless. This is a waste of my time, but I skimmed past the news this morning, and people were all talking about how like it's blowing up all over Twitter and Facebook about Romney said something about how he likes PBS, but he would get rid of Big Bird or something. I don't know. You can't fire Big Bird. What the hell are you thinking? I think he's gonna lose because he said that. I don't care, actually. I don't like either of them. Oh, it's cold. I was thinking about, or me and my friend were talking about what kind of motorcycle. Oh, that guy's awesome. Like, what kind of motorcycle Obama would look best on? And I was trying to think of one. I was like, I have no idea. And then my friend, she said a trike. And I was like, yes, a trike. Because he's not cool enough to ride a motorcycle, so. Plus, I don't think a president would be allowed to get on a motorcycle. Oh, it's cold. The wind's blowing me all over the place. Freezing. But I'm going to try and make a point to ride as much as I can, even if it's like really cold. Because I save like a lot of money in gas by riding to school. It like cuts my gas in half, basically. So I changed my oil yesterday when I was fixing my bike, and the oil I bought was Motul, and it's kind of like AMS oil. It's like one of those private companies that do their own like R&D, and like they're like kind of franchise, I think. But the oil apparently is amazing. Like it's full synthetic, like not kind of those fake full synthetics, but it's an actual 100% synthetic. And it's like this fluorescent green. It's awesome. It was like glow in the dark during the day. That's what it looked like. It was crazy. But I swear it has given my bike like 10 more horsepower. Because the oil that I took out of my bike was dirty. Like really nasty. I should have changed oil a while ago. But yeah, I'm pretty sure that freed up some power. Because my bike is like very happy now. But yeah, go change your oil, boys and girls. The cold air makes this bike ridiculous. I feel like I was gonna slide off the back. That's awesome. Yeah, the gas went down. Let's come! Ah! I'm up really high and all the wind is coming over the trees in the city, man. That's a little better. It's still really cold. Oh God, it's cold. Let me go down here. Oh, it's warm down here. Woo! It's warm. It's very warm. I'll go out. Woo! Oh, it's cold. I'm sure I look like an idiot when I'm doing this. I gotta fit my way through all those cars to get over to the exit. This ought to be fun. Made it. Well, why do I have to be behind a Prius? That's not fair. After all my effort to get over here, I gotta go around the sweet little on-ramp thing behind a Prius. Maybe he's like a crazy Prius driver. Yeah! We're going 50 and a 35. Actually, we're not going 50 anymore. I wonder if he knows he's not helping the environment by driving that car. Probably not. He probably thinks that, oh, I'm so awesome, I bought this car, and everyone's gonna watch me drive it, and they're gonna be like, that guy, he cares about the environment. Oh, it's cold. He is warmer than me, though. I have to admit that. I may be getting about the same gas mileage as he is, but I'm a lot colder. But I don't look like a fucking idiot in a Prius. And my bike didn't do environmental damage that that car did when its batteries were made. I wonder if he understands how those batteries are processed. Not many people do. It's not really good for the environment how they make those batteries. Same thing goes with like laptops. Your average laptop, man, there's so much shit that like is left out or left over after a laptop is made. Like so much waste. It's ridiculous. And I'm not that environmentally conscious, but our teacher was telling us about it. I was like, holy shit, that's a lot of stuff for just for a laptop. Oh, it's cold. It's cold. It's really, really cold. Cold, 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 cold. It's cold. If he tries to get over the last second, I'm gonna punch him. Okay, he's just an imbecile. It's so cold that I'm shivering. Oh, there's a bug in my helmet. Ah, it's gonna get in my eye. That lady has a yellow license plate outline. Probably because we go to WSU. Get out of the middle of the road. Come on, man, with your green drink. There's some weird people. around here. We should go talk to them. No, we would get shot. I gotta go work out now after freezing like this. My muscles, I better do a really good warm up, or else I probably, what the hell? I would probably pull something if I just work out after having this ice cold wind passing by my legs and stuff. Let's do a really good workout, or a really good warm up. That guy is strange person. Wichita State University. It's reflective. Hey, look, it's me. She's got a lay on her mirror. I wonder if she'd lay me. She may not be hot though. But she's playing with her hair. So that's a good sign, I think. I don't know. It's just me speculating or making useless observations. That girl's pretty hot. What? That old lady, I think she flashed me. I thought it was a man. I don't really want to see that. I think she tried to, but I looked over right as she was putting it away. Thank God.